Hi dear children, welcome to our new maths class. The previous classes we learned how to write the number names of the following numerals. Our previous classes we learned how to write the number names of the following numerals. Today we can discuss about the numerals. Today we want to find how to change number names into numerals. Last class we learned numerals into number names. Okay, last class we learned how to change numerals into number names. Today we are going to study about how to change number names into numerals. Before that, just to recall our previous classes. Okay, previous classes. Our first class we learned how to write the number names of the following 3-digit numbers. Listen here. Okay, this is the number I given to you. Okay, we can see how to read this number. That means how to change this number into number names. Okay, we can see here we have one number. Okay, first what we want to do? We know the place value chart of 3-digit number. We know the place value chart of 3-digit number. Okay, the right side we have which place? Right side we have which place? Ones. Okay, left of the ones we have which place? Left of the one we have, yes, tens. Left of the tens we have which place? 100. Okay, you know every time right side ones, left of the ones we have tens, left of the tens we have hundreds. Okay, then after what we want to do? This number we want to write below this place value chart. Okay, then listen here, we know every time right side we have which place? Ones. Okay, that ones place we have which number? Ones place we have which number? 5 right here. Then left of the ones we have tens place. Tens place we have which number? Number 2. Then left of the tens we have which place? 100. 100 place we have which number? Number 3. This way we want to place the number below the place value chart. Right side we have which number? That number we want to write in place 1. The left of the ones we have which number? That number we want to write below the tens place. Left of the tens we have which number? That number we want to place below the 100 place. Okay, after we can see how to write the number names of this number. Okay, first step what we want to do? First we can divide this 3-digit number into 2 parts. Okay, this 3-digit number into how many parts? 2 parts. First part is tens and ones together. Tens and ones together. Another part is 100. Okay, another part is 100. Okay, first part tens and ones together. Another part is 100. Now we can see in the 100 place we have which number? 100 place we have which number? Number 3. Number 3. Then you write here 3. T-H-R-E-E. Number 3. This 3 stand in which place? This 3 stand in which place? 100. That also you want to write together. 300. Okay, this is correct. Next one. This tens and ones, every time I told you, this tens and ones we want to take together. Okay, tens and ones we want to take together. That means this is which number? Not 25. Which number? This is which number? This is number, yes, 25. Number 25. This is number 25. This part we want to read together. Then write here 300 and then this part we want to read together. 20. What is the spelling of 20? T-W-E-N-T-Y. 25. F-I-V-E. 25. Very simple now. We already learned the place value chart of 3-digit number. Ones, tens, 100. After what we want to do? This number. Okay, this number placed below this place value chart. We know every time right side we have which place? Ones. Then ones place we have which number? That number you write in below this ones place. Then left of the ones we have which place? Tens. Then that number you write in below this tens place. Then left of the tens we have which number? 100. That number you want to write in below the 100 place. After what we want to do? We can divide this 3-digit number into 2 parts. First part tens and ones. together. Okay, that is in one part. Another part is 100. Okay, we get two parts. Then after 100 place we have which number? Number 3. Write here 3. These 3 stand in which place? These 3 stand in which place? 3 is in which family? Hundreds. That also you write together. 300. The next one, these tens and ones we want to read together. That means this is which number? 25. That is name of this number is 325. I hope you understand how to write the number names in your previous classes. Children, our today's topic, write the numerals. Write the numerals. Write the numerals. Numerals means what? Number. Write the numerals. Numerals means number. Now I will give you number name. We can see how to change this number name into numerals. That means number. Okay. First one, 700 and 27. Okay, 727. Okay, this is the number name I given to you. Now we can see how to change this number name into numerals. Okay, our number name is 727. First, what we want to do? First, we want to write the place value chart of 3-digit number. What is the place value chart of 3-digit number? First, we know. First, right side we have which place? Ones. Left of the ones we have which place? Tens. Left of the tens we have which place? 100. This is the place value chart of 3-digit number. Now we can see how to write the numerals. Okay. Look here. How many 100? In the 100 place we have which number? How many 100 here? 700. How many 100? 700. How many 100 here? 700. That means in the 100 place which number we want to write? We want to write which number in the 100 place? Number 7. That means we have how many 100? 700. We have 700. Then below the 100 place, which number we want to write? Number 7. Then write here number 7. That is 700. After we have tens and ones place. Tens and ones place. Next we have which number? 727. 27. How to write number 27? This is number 27. This is number 27. Okay, we already learned in our previous classes ones and ten place. Okay, then ones place we have which number? We know every time right side we have which place? Ones. Okay, right side of this number. Okay, right side of this number, that is place 1. Okay, here is the place ones. Then left of the ones we know the tens. Okay, then number 27. Here ones place we have which number? Number 7. Tens place we have which number? Number 2. Then that number tens place we have which number? Number 2. Ones place we have which number? Number 7. That means 727. 727. Now we can check our answer. Look here, our number name is 727. Then we can see how many 100? Here we have 7. That 7 stand in which place? 100. That is 700. Okay, this is correct. The last part, this is which number? Number 27. Okay. Did you understand? Now we can see one more example. We can see one more example. 400. F-O-U-R. 400 and 32. T-H-I-R-T-Y. 32. T-W-O. 432. Now we can see how to change this number names into numerals. Okay, first what we want to do? First we want to write the place value chart of 3-digit numbers. Okay, place value chart of 3-digit numbers. That means right side we have which place? Ones. Right side we have ones. Left of the ones we have which place? Tens. Left of the tens we have which place? 100. Okay. Then ones, tens and 100. Now we can see in the 100 place we have which number? How many 100 here? 400. How many 100? 400. Then in the below this 100, which number we want to write? Number 4. That is 400. Okay. Next we know tens and ones part we want to take together. Here we have which number? Number 32. Number 32. This is number 32. We know the right side we have which place? Ones. Left of the ones we have which place? Tens. Okay, the tens place we have which number? Number 3. Ones place we have which number? Number 2. Okay, then we can see our question and answer. How many 100? Here 400. That is 400. Correct. Next one. This is which number? Number 32. Look here, number 32. Okay, everything correct. This is 432. This is the numeral of 432. 432. This is the numerals of 432. 432. Then another one you look. Next one also we can see. Listen here. 600. 600 and 30. THIRTY. 630. 630. First what we want to do? First we want to write the place value chart of 3-digit number. Right side we have ones. Left of the ones we have tens. Left of the tens we have 100. Okay, after we can see our number names 630. That means how many 100 here? 600. How many 100? 600. That means the place of 100, which number we want to write? Below this 100, which number we want to write? 6. Here we have 600. The 100 place we want to write number 6. After look and 30. 630. 30. THIRTY. Not 13. Number 30. How to write number 30? How to write number 30? 30. This is number 30. That means ones place we have which number? Every time right side of this number is place 1. Okay, ones, right side we have ones, left of the ones we have tens. Okay, then we know tens place we have which number? Number 3. The ones place we have which number? Number 0. Then after we can see our question and answer. Here we have 100 place we have which number? Number 6. This 6 stand in which place? 100. That is 600. Okay, this also correct. Next one. This tens and ones part we want to read together. Tens and ones we want to read together. Here we have which number? What is this number? Name of this number is 30. That is 30. Okay, here we have 30. That means 630. 630. Then one more example we can see. Children, listen here. Here 700. Okay, 700. No, 600. 600. 600 and 603. 603. 603. How to change these number names into numerals? Listen here. First what we want to do? Place value chart. 1, tens and 100. 600. Okay, ones, tens and 100. Children, once again, our number name is 603. Only 3. 603. Listen here. Here we have 100 place. We have which number? How many 100 here? 600. Then below this 100 we want to write the number 6. That is 600. 600. After we can see which number? Only number 3. Only number 3. In which position we want to write that number? Listen here. Here we have tens and ones place. Which place we want to write number 3? Okay. Now I will write. Listen here. Now I will write tens place number 3. Then here no number. Then ones place I will write 0. This is correct. We can see. Then just you read this name of this number. Here look, 600. This is which number? Number 30. Number 30. But look our question. Here we have only which number? Number 3. 3 and 13 is the different numbers. Okay. Here we have only 3. In the tens position I will write 3. Then ones position I wrote 0. This means what? 630. 30. That is number 30. THIRTY. This answer is wrong. We want which number? Number 3. 603. Then how to write 603? How to write? Listen here. Here we have only single digit number. This is number 3. That means that number in which place? That number in which place? That is in ones place. Tens place we have no number. That is 0. This is number 3. Okay. I hope you understand this. That means I will give you number 4. That 4. Here we have only 4. That means that 4 in which place? Ones place. Okay. We have only single digit number. That is in ones place. Okay. Then tens place we have which number? 0. That is number 4. Here we have 600 and only number 3. Only number 3. Then this 3 stand in which place? Ones place. Ones place we have number 3. Then tens place we want to write which number? 0. That is 603. I hope you understand this topic. Now we can see some exercise. Okay. Children, these are the questions I given to you. Now we can see how to find these numerals. Listen here. First one, 641. First one, 641. First what we want to do? First we want to write the place value chart of 3-digit number. The place value chart of 3-digit number. Right side itself. From the right side itself we want to write. Right side we have which place? Ones. Left of the ones we have which place? Tens. Left of the tens we have which place? 100. Okay. Ones, tens and 100. Then after what we want to do? Once again we can read our number names. 641. 600. What is the spelling of 40? F-O-R-T-Y. This is our modern term. F-O-R-T-Y. Don't write F-O-U-R-T-Y. 40. Spelling of 40. F-O-R-T-Y. 641. Here how many 100? We have how many 100 here? How many 100? 6. Okay. Then below this 100, which number we want to write? 6. That is 600. Next we know these tens and ones we want to take together. Okay. That means next one 641. How to write the number 41? This is number 41. Here we know ones place we have which number? That means right side of this number. Here we have number 41. Right side of this number, that is place 1. Left of the ones we have tens. Okay. Then we know tens place we have which number? Number 4. Ones place we have which number? Number 1. This is 641. Once again we can check our question and answer. Here how many? Which number? Number 6. That 6 stand in which place? 100. That is 600. Okay. Then next we know every time tens and ones we want to read together. Here which is the number? Number 41. Okay, here also number 41. Okay, I hope you understand. Next we can see second question. Our second question, 640. Here we have 41, but here only number 40. F-O-R-T-Y. 640. How to write? First we want to write the place value chart of this number. That means ones, tens and hundred. Okay, ones, tens and hundred. Okay, in the hundred place we have which number? Number 6. Then write here number 6. Then next we have which number? 100. After next we have which number? Number 40. How to write number 40? Then 40. 40. This is number 40. We know right side of this number. Every time right side we have which place? That is ones. Every time right side of any number, that is ones place. Okay, here right side we have ones place. Left of the ones we have which place? Tens. Okay, then we know tens place we have which number? Number 4. Ones place we have which number? Number 0. Okay, then what is this? Name of this number is, we can see 100 place we have which number? Number 6. That is 600. Look here. Okay, correct. That is 600. Next we have which number? These tens and ones we want to read together. That is 40. 40. 40. Then this is 40. Then here also we have 40. That means 640. Children, last one. Listen here. Last one. 604. Find the difference. First we have 641. That is very simple. Okay. Next one, look here, 640. That means ones place we have 0. Okay, 640. The next one, look here, 604. Only 4. Then we can see how to write the numerals of this number name. Okay. First what we want to do? Place value chart. Okay. Ones, tens and hundred. Ones, tens and hundred. Here we have 100 place we have which number? How many hundred here? Number 6. That is 600. The next one, look here, 604. 4. Only 4. No to 40, no to 41. Here we have only number 4. Okay. Here we have only number 4. Okay. Here we have only number 4. That number is in which place? Okay, that number is in which place? That is in ones place. Okay, here we have 2 digits. Then we can write right side we have which number? That is in ones place. Then left of the ones we have which number? That is in tens place. But here we have only one number. Okay, every time we have only one number. That number we want to place in which place? Ones place. There is no doubt. Which place? Ones. Okay, here we have only single digit number, only one number. For that we want to write in the ones place. Okay, don't write in the place of don't write the place of tens. Look here, suppose you write this way, tens place we write 4, then ones place we wrote 0. Okay, how to read this number? 640. 640. In the tens place we wrote number 4, ones place we wrote 0. That means how to read this number name? 640. Your answer is wrong. We want which number? Only number 4. That means which place we want to write number 4? Ones place. Okay, here we have only single digit. We have only one number. That number we want to place in which place? Which place? Ones. Okay, then that means 10th place we want to write 0. This is what? 600. Just you see how many hundred here? 600. 10th place we have any number? No. Then after we have only which number? Number 4. Just you read 600 and only 4. That is 604. Very simple, no? Okay, children, I hope you how to write the numerals of the number names. Look here, this question I given to you. 700, 700, 700, 700 and 2. 702. Okay, 702. First what we want to do? Write the place value chart. Ones, tens and 100. Okay, 100 place we have which number? Number 7. Right here number 7. Okay, then tens and ones place we want to read together, but look here, here we have only 2, only number 2, not 2-digit number, we have only number 2. I already told you, here we have only number 2, only single digit number. Here number only number 2, that 2 stand in which place? Ones, that 2 stand in which place? Ones. Okay, then ones place we have 2, that means tens place we want to write 0, that is 700. Yes, correct. Then next we have only 2, that is 702. 702. Don't write this way. Suppose you write here 100 place we write 7, then tens place we write 2, then ones place we write 0. This means what? 720. Your answer is wrong. We want 702, only 2. That means 702. Ones place we want to write 2, tens place we want to write 0. Okay, 702. Children, I hope you understand how to change number names into numerals. How to change number names into numerals. Now I will give you your activity. You want to find that answer. Okay. I will give you your activity. All of you look here. First what we want to do, our topic. Okay. Write the numerals. N-U-M-E-R-A-L-S. Numerals. Write the numerals. N-U-M-E-R-A-L-S. Numerals means what? Number. Okay. Our first question. 700 and 11. You know 11? This is number 11. Okay. This is number 11. 711. Then second question. 900 and 950. F-I-F-T-Y. Which number? How to write number 50? 50. Okay. 950. Our last one. Our last question. 700. H-U-N. What is the spelling of 100? H-U-N-D-R-E-D. 701. Only 1 here. 701. This is the activity I given to you. Okay. Children, I hope you understand this topic. That's all for today. Please send your answer through Google Classroom. Thank you.